Yellow people, then you could see LarBie Jr. my name, but enough people call me G LarBie. Yeah, and you can call me with same name said you see pre. Me follow straight from out of West Africa. Ghana to be precise. Formerly, the Gold Coast, red, gold, green and the black star in Miguel. One of the peaceful country in Africa, trust me. Well, that did a way back in 2019 though high school when one youth went name of the Gaza, a dancehall artist, both Brian, Mario Khalif and a couple of my colleagues them did a debate but who really make good dancehall with real Jamaican Patois between Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy. Of course, the two biggest dancehall artists in Ghana. So I say alright, me make my own research on that. So I go a yard for go listen for the two artists them songs and start to compare that of Jamaican songs. But see trust me dog, maybe you understand how weird the song that I listen over there. Yeah. But you know the song them sweet me bad, you know. I just love the rhythm and all the thing and go on the energy, you know, the song. So I say, hey, I promise myself, they will make everything possible to understand and know which me say the people I try send across in them song there. So anytime I want to listen for them songs, I go up on Google for search for the lyrics of the song where I want to listen. And at the same time I listen for the song, I go up on the lyrics. I know the lyrics right in a way you can understand it only if you can read English. You understand? Because them write the lyrics in an English form. So you can listen for the song and cope on the lyrics and understand what the man talk about in the song. Over there, I'm not end it there. I go up on YouTube to go pre some video tutorials where people are teach how to speak Jamaican Patois. So as me I learn and I pre all them video them, I go write the meaning I word them, I go listen, and I go learn and I go study from the people or the tutorial people. I go write all the meaning where I go learn from that study there. You see it. Over there, I start to pile up the meaning. Every day I learn. I not any day I try to link some of the Jamaican people so I can get them as friends. And yeah man, yep me there on our chat part like yo, I am on this a Jamaican. Chat part of WhatsApp group you mean? You're 1 in a million dog. Me not lie, 1 in a million. Well bad. Are the best ever Patwah learning group me ever have in contact with. Yeah, Virgin, me not lie. Check Patwah them I deal with, check Patwah them I teach the member them. Just ask a question and go so boom, you get a right answer right there, sir. And yo, me not lie. Big respect to Daddy Angie and the 3 other admin them. Big respect, you know. No sir. Joke team, me not no favorite. Me have favorites. For the music, language, and one food we name Rise and Peace. Lord God. Almost the same as rice and beans, popularly known as gobe in Ghana. Yo, let me tell you this. Ask every youth in Ghana about this type of food. And I'm going to tell you about it. It really save life, you know. A lifesaver, brother. Gaza, Vibes Cartel. Enough youth in Ghana love Vibes Cartel. And yeah, and really, popcorn. Your boy Jean says Chin. But just have one thing to tell you. Don't give up. You can use my story as inspiration. You can use my story to transpire if you do more. You understand? Just make sure you play enough Jamaican music. You can go ask to my method. You can do it in your own way, same way if you help yourself. But just make sure you play enough Jamaican music. You play enough Jamaican movies. You make enough researches on the internet about Jamaican Patois. Make sure you ride on certain way you can visit every day and study. Brother, find some Jamaican friend them so them can teach you more of the culture and you're good figure. But hold on, me not done yet. Try and link that the Andre on YouTube. Chat Patwah the channel name, brother. You see that man there, that the Andre, he might go teach you in a comfort zone like you did in a classroom. Well bad channel, you know. He might take him time, not too much learning, but little. But you go learn whole heap of thing. So just try and link that the Andre on YouTube. Chat Patwah. Well bad in the dark. Yeah, but make sure so you subscribe to the channel if you link the channel, and like every video if you don't pray. Big up yourself.